Hello, everybody. Today I'm going to talk about my favorite podcast. So, these are not just normal podcasts, but these are the productivity podcasts that I follow and basically follow them religiously because I'm a productivity freak and I almost apply everything I find on productivity in my own life. So, I'm going to share my most favorite productivity podcast with you so that you can also just go through them, listen to them, and improve your own life. So, let's begin. The first podcast is the Melissa Embersini Show. So basically, she's an author, she's a speaker, and an entrepreneur who talks about a lot of things about productivity, and not just productivity, but also things like health, intuitive eating, and the ways you can improve your life in all the aspects, basically, not just confining to one. A lot of things she talks about is managing your calendar, managing your time, controlling the things you have in your life, how can you get out of that digital arena you are in, and a lot of other things that affect your life directly or indirectly. Now, why I like this podcast is because she talks in a way that connects to you. I can really feel the vibe she gives, and the way she talks to us is really someone like a friend talking to you or something, and that really connects with me. The second podcast that I really like it on productivity notes is the Productivity Show by Asian Efficiency. Now, this organization designs podcasts around a lot of things like managing your time and getting things done in your life, and incorporating productivity in different aspects of your life in a very unique way. Now, these unique way are basically the systematic strategies they share with you. Every strategy and tip they share is scientifically backed, and they give you a lot of things, a lot of options to choose from, and they bring those things from around the world, and many times they call people who talk about their own experiences, the books they have written, or many other things they do in their life through which they have been able to improve their lives. And so you can get a lot of things from only one podcast, and you can choose from all those things which one you need to incorporate or you want to incorporate in your life. And I really like this show because first of all, they give you a lot of options, as I said. Secondly, it is very relatable because the many of the problems they talk about, like recently they talked about mental blockages we face and digital problems we face. So these kind of things that connect to you, and I can really relate to them because I feel these problems are very genuine and we all face them at one point or the other. So this is why I really like this podcast. One more thing they tell you is how to manage your to-do list, your calendars, and your files and folders. Like, this is such a basic thing we face, like how to manage our files and folders in our phone. We a lot of times we take our laptop and phone in our hands and we see the spaces full and with unnecessary items, and we are so lazy to just clean it up. So these podcasts are really helpful in that. They gives you tricks, systematic tricks to you which you can use in cleaning those folders, files, junks, recycle bin, everything basically. The third podcast on productivity that I really like is the 5 a.m. Miracle. It is created by Jeff Sanders, and I really like it because it gives you an outlook for improving your morning. Now, most of us have developed a habit of waking up at night a lot and then waking up late in the morning also. But I'm a morning person. I really like to get up in the morning and getting things done in the morning itself, because that is the time I feel that I have a lot of energy in myself and things can get done better. My mind works better in the morning. So this podcast talks about productivity in the morning. How can you improve your work schedule, or how can you get the optimum time or the optimum productivity from yourselves? And it gives you a kind of an enthusiasm. It motivates you to do good with yourself and good with your life. This podcast shares a lot of things about how can you exercise. Now, many of us struggle with exercising, and especially exercising in the morning. We feel so lethargic that we just give up on it. So this person, Jeff Sanders, really gives you strategies, those tricks and tips, how you can trick your brain into moving into different directions, the difficult ones basically, and you can help improve yourself and others in your life. And he gives you a lot of brain hacks also, through which you can get things done easily, quickly, and smartly. Now, why I like this podcast is because it gives you a good positive anticipation for the next day, how you can prepare for the next day in advance and then get things done really fast and easy, and you do not you don't have to put all your brain again into planning or just going through all the tasks you need to do. You just plan it all before and just go about it and complete everything you want. Now, this won't give you the instant results, but if you just do it, just follow it for a while, and then you will see that really you have improved your enthusiasm and motivation in your days, and you have a positive outlook towards your own life. You can read more about my views on these podcasts in the link of my blog. I'll share the link in the description box below, and do share your suggestions about different kind of podcasts that you listen to. I will soon come up with a video with different kind of intellectual and knowledgeable podcasts that I follow, through which you can improve your knowledge and gain insight into different things at the same time. And until then, explore these podcasts, listen to them.